Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Beth. I am the owner and designer of Sylvia's Wreath Magic. And what I wanted to do today was to show you how to clean your wreath for storage, after the season is over. So I have my fall wreath and I'm getting ready to store it for the season. Okay, so what I do is you don't want to use a vacuum. If you use a vacuum to clean your wreath, you might pull off the more delicate flowers or even the little foam beading that you have on it. Can you see these? Vacuum is too powerful and it sucks too much. First thing I do is I take a little fluffy, I don't know what you call this, but it's a fluffy, and I will gently brush any large pieces that I see. Brush those off. Okay? Then I will take a rag and just a damp cloth. I don't put any cleaner on it, just a damp cloth. And I will wipe down my sign or any metal embellishments that I have. Just wipe them down. When that's over, or when I've done that, I'm going to turn it around, okay? And I'm going to get a can of air. I feel that the air will spray the dust and the dirt out of it, but without damaging the wreath or the embellishments. And then I just take it and I just blow from behind, just blow around. Well, when your air can stays together, you just want to blow. And what that does is blows off all the cobwebs and the dirt from the backing, okay? Once that is done, now I get the vinyl bats. They're great for hanging up and storing your wreaths, with one exception. If it doesn't have a hook on it, your wreath is going to lay on the bottom and it's going to smash your flowers. So I either get the ones that have the little hook. This allows me to hook the wreath so it hangs in the bag and doesn't sit on the bottom. Or you can take pipe cleaners, put them around your wreath to make a loop, and then the loop goes around the handle so that when you hang it, it's not sitting on the bottom. Okay? So all I do is I take my bag, I hook my wreath in it, make sure it's not setting on the bottom, and then I tuck it in nicely. And that way when I store it, I hang it up so that it stores hanging and is nice and neat. Now, a tip that I have found, see, it's not on the bottom. My wreath is not sitting on the bottom. And it hangs up just like that. Now, what I have found is that if I put this is ridiculous, don't laugh at me. If I put a bounce dryer sheet in with my wreath, for some reason, the scent or the chemicals used in the dryer sheet will keep the spiders out of it. So I can store this safely in my garage without having to worry about bugs. Now, I tried other brands of dryer sheets, generic, all the other brands, and it doesn't work. For some reason, it's just bounce. I don't know why, but bounce does it. Okay? So that has my wreath ready to store. Now, if your wreath has a fabric or canvas felt type setting, you don't want to take a scrub brush and scrub it. What that's going to do is push the dirt and dust into the fabric. You want to take your rag, get it damp, and then blot where the dirt spots are. and that will pull the dirt up off of your attachment and into your rack. You can also do the same thing with the spraying. Spray it from the back. My spray can won't stay together, I'm sorry. But anyway, spray it from the back, and what that does is it blows the dusted dirt out away from your wreath. And you would hang this in the bag the same way. Hang it from the hook or from a chenille stem so that it's not laying on the bottom. All right? Now I put outside my house, I have a covered porch, a screened-in deck, and I like to put faux ornaments, or what do you call these, arrangements outside. And I clean them the same way I clean my wreath. I'll hang them upside down, brush them off. Doesn't have to be very hard. If I see a lot of dust and dirt, I'll take my spray can and I'll spray on the inside, trying to loosen everything up. And then just hang it and shake off any big pieces. All right? And then these I put in a trash bag, and I'll seal the top of the trash bag up. Again, I put a downy sheet in with it to help protect it from bugs and critters during the winter that I have it stored. But anyway, that's just a brief overview of how I clean my wreaths. Just a damp cloth, water, no chemicals, a spray can, and my little fluffy. Okay, so that's just a little hints from Beth to you. If you have any questions or you have any other problems with your home decor that you'd like some answers to, please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll help you figure it out. Thank you, everyone. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.